Zelená hlava je späť s reakciou a prekladom rozhovoru od amerického vojaka. Je to neuverná informácia a tvrdí, že sme v prdeli.
What you guys are about to hear is from his mouth and his mouth only, from his personal experiences that occurred and took place in our
OK, samozrejme, beriem, je tu nejaký youtuber, ktorý nám tu ide rozprávať,
North America.
že má zdroj informácií, takže hovorím tento zdroj.
One night that they did them all of them at the same time. All within 3 minutes of each other.
All the military bases at the same time?
Pointa je, že neviem, čo povedal predtým, ale boli koordinovaní a všetky military, všetky základne niečo v ten istý čas, ale neviem presne čo, lebo tomu som naozaj nerozumel. Alebo to bolo prečo.
And you were there when it happened?
Ja sa či tam bol, keď sa to stalo.
What?
Hovorí, že áno.
That's crazy.
We had aircraft outside. So what did they wanted to keep them inside? But our aircraft were going to fly over a football game for the
Hovorí, že majú lietadla vonku. Prečo ich držia vonku? Lietadla znamená stíhačky. Prečo ich držia vonku je preto, lebo budú lietiť ponad football game.
opening of a football game.
Ponad otvorenie football game.
We had 6 aircraft that were getting ready to leave to do that, so they left them out overnight.
Takže mali 6 lietadiel pripravených na odchod.
And they spotted them flying over our aircraft and mapping. You can see them.
Niečo preletelo cez okolo jeho lietadla ako nič, to si zvrátime späť.
We had 6 aircraft that were getting ready to leave to
Mali 6
do
lietadiel.
that, so they left them out overnight. And they
Takže vlastne ich nechali vonku celú noc.
spotted them flying over our aircraft and mapping. You can see them. They're not putting off heat signatures, but you can see like laser mapping.
Dude, that's
Niečo s
insane.
laserom môže vidieť.
3D mapping. Yeah. And they went to our magazines. The magazine where we keep all the ammo for the helicopters. Yeah.
Takže to už som počul túto informáciu niekde inde v nejakom inom šialenom rozhovore. A že vlastne sa im podarilo na základe nejakej laserovej alebo spetelnej technológie prejsť cez ich depo alebo cez ten asi betón, čo tam majú a niečo robili z ich ammunitions, tieto niektoré drony.
In the magazine where we keep all the ammo for the jets. And my base is unique. It has these Southeast Response Team, which there's 4 fighter jets that stay there. They're fully armed.
Takže Response Team je pripravený non-stop momentálne. To sú 4 lietadlá, ktoré sú úplne vyzbrojené a pripravené.
That have missiles and machine gun rounds in them, and they're loaded, and they have
Majú
these
kulomety,
meters
sú
that run to
nabité,
the engines one, and electronics that stay on, so the aircraft actually
všetko je
stays
zapnuté.
turned on. And fighters and pilots are there 24/7.
Piloti sú 24/7.
And they go out, and so in theory they can get on alert and be off the ground in 3 minutes.
Teoreticky dokážu byť zo vzduchu za 3 minúty.
And I've seen them do it, and they're pretty damn quick.
Videl som ich to robiť, sú rýchli, takže piloti sú
They'll
rýchli.
get a scramble alert, and they'll run out there and jump in the airplanes, and they're taxiing down the runway, and the canopy hasn't even closed yet.
To je crazy.
Wow. Have you seen any of the drones over the base?
Pýta sa, či videl nejaké drony okolo tej
Oh,
základne.
you've seen the drones over the base. What do they look like?
Yeah. So there's different types. There's
Ako vyzerajú? To
there's
môže byť.
ones that look like kind of like quadcopters.
Niektoré vyzerajú ako helikoptery.
They have more than 4 blades. It looks like there's 6 to 8 blades on
Majú
them.
od 6 do 8
And then there's ones that
rotorov,
are fixed wing
bladeov vrtu.
that are over it. But see, the thing is, we have on our base that's designed to
Tam niečo povedal, neviem, či to skočilo,
6 to
alebo...
8 blades on them.
Okay.
And then there's ones that are fixed wing that are over it. But see,
Tam
the thing is, we have
Aha, OK.
on our base that's designed to to defeat drones.
Majú
That are
technológiu,
flying under, if they're receiving any kind of signal,
ktorá dokáže
they're designed to
poraziť
defeat them.
dronov.
So it makes them
It's called
Ak dostanú nejaký
that are
signál,
flying under, if they're receiving any kind of signal, they're designed to defeat them.
so it makes them
takže keď tie drony dostanú nejaký signál, tak
Sees the signal that's being broadcast to it, and it duplicates it and takes it over, or it either jams it, which
OK,
causes
takže
it to
buď
land.
duplikujú signál a dostanú kontrolu, alebo zablokujú signál.
They defeat it, sees the signal that's being broadcast to it, and it duplicates it and takes it over, or it either jams it, which causes it to land.
Aha, takže opačne. Opačne to je. Naše drony, alebo teda armádne drony, sú blokované, alebo tie iné drony, tie neznáme objekty, replikujú signál a tým pádom ich pošlú naspäť na zem a priletia.
And they defeated them. They defeated our systems.
man, that's wild.
They defeat our system znamená, že porazili náš systém.
US military stuff.
Now, they would have to. There's certain protocols.
Pýta
that
sa,
have to be done.
či to môže byť nejaký či to môže byť americká vláda a hovorí, že tam sú nejaké protokoly, ktoré musia,
When you do that type of thing,
aby mohol urobiť niečo také.
and so basically the Northeast Central Command and NORAD had us come and
Takže, one more time.
and so basically the Northeast Central Command and NORAD
Northeast Central Command, takže Northeast, severovýchodný centrálne riadenie ich zavolalo,
had us come and give a report on
aby
what
dali
happened
report,
because they were not informed of it.
čo sa stalo, lebo
And there's
musia.
no way that anybody would be allowed to do that.
That's crazy.
What?
And so basically the Northeast Central Command and
NORAD
had us come and give a report on what happened
mali dať report, čo sa stalo.
because they were not informed of it. And
Musia,
there's no way that anybody would be allowed to do that.
That's crazy.
And
že hovorí, že nikto by nebol
there's a lot of
živý v
theories
týchto
going
dronoch.
around that it's like it's Space Force and they're trying to prove a point and but to do all those bases
Oni vlastne
eliminated at
jamli
that
všetky
time,
basy americké.
no, it's
Naraz,
that
jeden
took a
deň,
lot of,
v jednu sekundu.
you're talking about dozens of bases that were
Hovorí
overflown
o desiatky,
within minutes of each other. And we
desiatky,
can't fly.
How long ago did this happen?
That started in October.
takže ak správne rozumiem, lebo ho moc nerozumiem, hovorí, že desiatky amerických základní boli ohrozené, alebo signál bol narušený. Keď chcú k týmto dronom zlietnúť, tak ich zreplikujú ich signál, s ktorým lietajú ich drony a nemôžu sa k ním dostať. Zablokovali niečo, no akože je to masaker, čo to je. Neverím, ideme ďalej.
And it hasn't really stopped.
Wow, so it's like a recurring thing all the time.
Takže vlastne to začalo až do
We
dneska.
can't fly.
How long ago did this happen?
That started in October, and it hasn't really stopped.
Začalo to v
Wow,
októbri
so
a
it's like
ešte
a
to
recurring thing
neskončilo.
all the time.
To je nejaký opakujúci sa
It
signál.
happens on the regular.
So let me ask you this: how come you guys don't shoot them down if
Prečo
you
ich
see
nemôžu
them?
zastreliť?
So under FAA law, you're not allowed to shoot
Podľa nejakého FAA law nie sú,
down anything, any aircraft over the U.S. without congressional approval.
nemôžu nič
What do you think these drones
zostreliť
are
bez
showing up to the
kongresionálneho
Information
povolenia.
to coordinate a large scale. I believe that collecting information to coordinate a large
Sú koordinovaní v large scale, v obrovských počtoch, v obrovskej miere.
Damn, that's terrifying.
I believe the players that are going to be involved it's not just one state, I believe it's a conglomerate of
Tvrdí, že to nemôže byť len jeden štát, že ten rozmer toho útoku, dajme tomu, je je proste nad tými.
countries that are coming together that are being involved in this.
Musí tu byť viacej ľudí
Because
bol.
they went to our magazine and flew to each corner. I believe it's a conglomerate of countries that are coming together that are being involved in this. Because this thing went to our magazine and flew to each corner of the magazine.
It was like
And while it was
analyzing it.
yeah, and
Takže bolo to, analyzovali ich
clips and that came out.
depot s muníciou.
Computer engineers and robotic engineers and stuff, they came out and they were trying to figure out what signals they're operating off of.
Takže nejakí robotickí inžinieri sa snažili priznať to, na akých signáloch vlastne fungujú tieto zariadenia.
They're not being fed a signal, so these are
A
pre-programmed.
nie sú, a tie drony podľa neho, alebo podľa tých informácií nie sú riadené žiadnym signálom, takže buď budú predprogramované,
Running off of AI or something.
alebo
They're
idú cez
probably taking
AI,
images and saying, okay, scan this to give me accurate
takže
images
nemusia
of
mať
where
žiadny
it is.
signál, takže sa nedá ich zastaviť v
And
podstate.
that way, if they can get a 3D scan, they can look for weak spots.
So let me
Takže
ask
ak
you this,
dokážu,
like
ak môžu
for the
urobiť 3D scan, dokážu nájsť slabé miesta.
military bases, like when the drones show up there, what if one of you what if you guys got the order to shoot it down? What the heck would you shoot a drone down with?
Čím by zastrelili dron, kebyže dostanú
So
povolenie?
there's energy weapons that you have, and then there's conventional weapons that you have. I mean, basically you got shotguns, and then you have energy weapons that are designed to send out a pulse of energy that confuses the signals going to
Energy
it.
weapons,
If you've got something
signal.
that's not being sent signals and it's flying off of AI, it can be shielded from that. So,
Ale
You know,
môže to
my
byť obrnené
concern is
týmito
they're gonna use
praktikám,
all
ak to
this.
ide cez
Like
AI.
I've kind of thought about this is like, what if this is like a deep state operation to kind of like
Pýta sa, či to je deep state operation,
regulations to drones and ban
aby mohli ovplyvniť reguláciu dronov.
'Cause you know they always try
To je
to
asi
find
blbosť,
any
to si
reason
nemyslím, že je
to
pravda.
ban the public from using
Na čo by
actual
to robili?
drones.
And I feel like this is going to
yeah, I mean,
turn
I
into
would,
something
it
like that.
wouldn't surprise me if that's,
Prekvapili by to,
people are gonna exploit that.
ak by to ľudia neriešili túto myšlienku, ale je to príliš veľké a príliš veľa sa deje. Pretože ak by si toto skúšal spraviť, niečo s dronmi, tak by si bol hlasný a nebol by si na military basis. Nikto nevie, čo sa deje nad týmito základňami. A nerobíme, čo by mali robiť. Tvrdí, že by sme ich mali zostreliť zo vzduchu, alebo že by ich mali zostreliť zo vzduchu. Mali by ich zanalizovať a mali konečne prísť na to, čo to je. A kto je za tým? Teraz už lietajú tak dlho po týchto základniach a kritickej infraštruktúre. Nič ich nezastaví,
But there's
tak
no
nikdy
way-
nezastavia.
There's no way that the military doesn't know where they're landing to get recharged. Like it's not like
Tvrdí,
they
že
have
tam
an
není
unlimited
možnosť toho,
battery. That doesn't exist.
aby neexistovala informácia o tom, kde tieto drony pristávajú z americkej vlády, pretože baterky nemôžu vydržať tak dlho. Sledovali jeden
And it flew away from the base longer than we could
a
pursue it.
letel ďalej od základne, ako ho mohli následovať, pretože im došiel benzín.
And this,
Over 400 miles.
And this is
Viac
a
ako 400 mil.
battery-operated drone, not a fuel-operated drone.
Can't tell, it's not putting off a thermal image.
Pýtajú sa čím je poháňaný, že či je poháňaný baterkou, alebo že musí byť poháňaný baterkou. Ale typek tvrdí, že je to ťažké povedať, lebo nemajú žiadny tepelný snímok alebo thermal image, čo znamená, že vlastne baterky vyžarujú teplo, vďaka ktorému sa dá detekovať dron. Vďaka ktorému sa dá detekovať dron kvôli teplote prostredníctvom termálnej kamery, ale táto informácia je pravdivá, pretože to potvrdili aj niektoré FBI drony, a armádne drony iné, ktoré tvrdia, že ich nevidia, pretože nevydávajú žiadne teplo. Poďme ďalej.
Dang. Dude, that's crazy. All right, I'm not going to play that entire clip. I want you to go over to Mo Sargi's channel.
OK, takže celý klip je niekde inde, ja si ho pozriem. V podstate military bases sú ovládnuté týmito dronmi, nevedia ako ich zostreliť, nemôžu ich zostreliť, nedajú sa zostreliť, narušujú im vlnenia, riadenia a všetky tieto veci. Vyzerá to ako z Hviezdnych vojen, vyzerá to naozaj extrémne. Neviem, čo by som k tomu mal povedať. Neviem, je to normálne, neviem. Proste sleduješ ich a najlepšej armáde sveta dojde benzín pri sledovaní lietajúceho objektu. Prečo vlastne nezostrelili, keď už boli nad Timorom, tomu to je tiež na zamyslenie. Každopádne je to celé zvláštne, hej. OK, dopozeráme si ešte toto video, pretože tam má ďalšie informácie, čo sa dneska dialo a preto by bolo dobré si to ešte zhrnúť, takže si ho ešte pustíme, čo nám tvrdí. Naozaj v Amerike sa dejú fakt divné veci, a pozrite sa na to.
Is this due to the drones/orbs? Are they testing our
Výpadky
infrastructure
elektriny,
for some
pýta sa,
upcoming?
či testujú infraštruktúru pre nejaký upcoming event.
Okay, I did want to talk about
Tohto som
this
videl
clip
plný internet
that
od
I
fakt
saw
rôznych
on
ľudí.
TikTok, and it's also here on X.
Tu máme niečo
Somebody
z
was in
TikToku.
Las Vegas filming outside of their hotel room, and they saw what looked like a drone, or I mean that's
Toto mi
definitely
príde
some sort
fakt
of
divné.
manned aircraft, like some
Ale
sort
zase
of
na druhú
jet,
stranu
fighter
už
jet,
človek fakt nevie,
something
čomu
that
môže
we
veriť,
see
hej.
every day, of course. But of course, there's people in the comments saying, "Oh, this is AI or is CGI."
CGI, AI, no ťažko povedať.
Like we have these busted cameras and we're filming with potatoes, and I mean it's
Ale
hard
na druhú stranu
nighttime with any
je
camera.
pravda, že keď konečne niekto nafilmuje niečo vo Full HD, 4K, 8K, tak potom tomu nikto neverí, no.
Footage and then it's fake. It's like, come on, man. I mean, I understand.
To je problém možno aj ten umelej inteligencie a všetkého AI, že teraz všetko bude fake. Ale toto nevyzerá úplne ako AI, hej. Každopádne hovorí, že niečo také by AI úplne nedokázala. Hej, kámo, čo to je?
Up close. I mean, that looks like one of my Phantom drones that I had. I mean, I
Shooting
don't know.
Shooting party light.
Looks like a
To sú
something in a
party
club.
svetla z Amazonu alebo z Temu.
Now in this
Povedzte mi, čo si vymyslíte. Ja neviem, čo si namyslieť a preto si radšej nemyslím nič. To znamená, takže milí priatelia, povedzte si. Takže toto bolo zaujímavé video, ktoré nám prinieslo veľmi zaujímavé informácie, ktoré môžu, ale nemusia byť pravdivé. To znamená, že ideme ďalej. Zelená hlava sa lúči.